Forget the takeaway, these Hoisin Duck Noodles are far faster, saucier and way tastier, and they're even ready before your driver has left the shop. The first thing we're going to do is make the sauce. So we're using 2 tablespoons of Hoisin dipping sauce, tablespoon of soy sauce, some sesame oil for that lovely sort of smoky taste, a tablespoon of rice vinegar, and you're just going to mix that up and then set it aside for when we need it in a little bit. Get your wok on a high heat and add some oil, and then we're going to add about 300 grams of duck breast, make sure they're skinless, and then season with some pepper before frying for just a couple of minutes to get some colour on it. And then we're going to add in our equal measures of garlic and ginger. As always, I'm using a paste from a jar. I'll put a link in the description below. We're going to give that 30 seconds and then we're going to add in our veggies. So I'm using mangetout. Again, just pop them in, give them a quick mix through. Spinach, because I didn't have any bok choy. I actually think it works better with bok choy, but spinach works pretty well. And then we're going to add 180 grams of dried, or that's the dried way, 180 grams dried of egg noodles. Make sure you cook them first. Pop them in, add in that sauce and stir it through. I mean, how easy is that to do? It literally just takes a few minutes.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
There we go. I mean, how easy was that? So to take this up to the next level, they always say you take the first bite with your eyes. We want to add quite a few garnishes. So I'm going to use some spring onions, red chili and sesame seeds, both the white and the black kinds. This might be OTT, but honestly, it just makes the dish look way better. Anyway, as always, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you'd like the full recipe with all the macros along with 400 other high protein recipes, we add new ones every single month. You can get all this in my recipes app, and there's a link to download it in the description below. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully see you back on the channel soon, and I'll speak to you later. See ya!